Everyone, it's Liliana from Vanilla Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm hosting the book club at my house. So there is a few things I need to get done, so I decided to do a power hour and just get it done. So let me show you what's on my list. So I want to do a load of laundry. I'll do that first, so by the time I finish I can put it all out to dry. Dust the living room, sprinkle bicarb on the carpets, and then vacuum everything, dust cobwebs, clean the fridge, not a deep clean, just a quick tidy and wipe, clean the counters, clean the downstairs bathroom, and clean the sofas. So as you can see, there's a few things to be done. So I'm going to give you a quick look around just so you see what everything looks like. It's not overly messy, it's just dirty. It needs to be cleaned. The kitchen, I've actually already emptied the dishwasher, so I just need to load up. Not too bad. Here's the living room. As you can see, not bad at all. And the dining room is fine. I won't be doing anything on that side. There's just a dinosaur to be handled there. And there's my load of laundry. So let's get started. My hour is run out and I have not achieved anywhere near as much as I expected. It's been really tough for me to get going, so I have to get ready to go to work, but when I come back I will then clean the downstairs bathroom. But let me show you what everything else looks like. So here's the kitchen, counters are clean, there's some meat in that. I'm just going to put that in the slow cooker in a minute. So I'll still have to quickly wipe everything down after dinner. The fridge has been wiped down and reorganized, so I'm pretty happy with that. And then the lounge, I have been watching Hell's Kitchen, I don't know if you guys have noticed, and there we are, all nice and clean. Hi and good morning. It's now the next day. Sorry I didn't finish filming anything else yesterday, but all of a sudden it just got a bit rushed and I wanted to get everything ready before the ladies arrived last night. So anyway, I have got a bit of a mess in the kitchen this morning. Let me show. So I've got all of these bits like glasses and bowls from all the snacks. And then on this side, I've got all the snacks that the ladies brought. So I need to sort through, and I'm going to hand wash anything that was to do with the book club, you know, so glasses and stuff. I brought out all my wine glasses, but I only used one. So put that all away. I'm going to load anything else into the dishwasher, and I thought I will bring you along and show you. Everyone, that is it. I am done for now, and I'm definitely finished with this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.